Hello everyone, on today's IRS tax refund update, we're going to recap on where things currently stand with those refund delays and the developments for those who filed electronic and paper returns in the month of April, as well as the next refund batch. We're also going to take a look at some of those tax topic codes many of you are seeing when checking your refund status results, as well as reference code 1242, and the IRS has released a draft of the newest 1040 tax form, so we're going to take a look at some of the changes that were made. Now, recapping where things currently stand with those refund delays, as the IRS has released the latest numbers, dropping the backlog to now 9.7 million returns, which is the lowest it has been in 3 months. It has also dropped by over 1 million returns from just the month before, and it was paper filers who saw the biggest progress in just the past week, with 500,000 being processed. Now, the developing news for the week is that for the first time, April e-file and paper filers have reported receiving their refunds or expecting their refunds with the August 17th batch. This development confirms that while tax processing is ongoing, these returns are not being processed in the order in which they are received, as there are still January, February, and March e-file and paper filers who have not been part of the previous tax processing cycles. The next significant refund batch is scheduled to be released by the IRS on Wednesday, August 17th, as confirmed by the refund status results and tax transcripts seen here. While the majority will receive that deposit the day of, do allow up until August 22nd to receive that if your direct deposit date is listed as August 17th. Now, turning to those tax topic codes, many are still reporting receiving, with the majority seeing tax topic 151 and 152. Tax topic code 151 does indicate a potential problem with your return, causing it to be under further review, and that you should be expecting a tax refund adjustment as a result. Oftentimes this year, we have seen this has been a result of one issue in regards to tax credits being claimed, such as CTC or RRC. Meanwhile, tax topic 152 is a standard IRS processing code and does not indicate any problem with your tax return, and also does not require any additional steps on your part, such as submitting documentation. For those seeing tax topic code 151, they may also see reference code 1242 listed in their refund status results as seen here. Now, this reference number is an indication while your electronic return was received, it has been selected for review, and the refund will be frozen until the process is complete, which is along the lines of tax topic 151. Now, if you're among that impacted group, it is likely you will receive a CP05 or CP05A notice in the mail, which will be confirmed by seeing a 971 code on your tax transcript. Now, the CP05 notice will indicate the IRS is reviewing the return, but the CP05A notice will request documentation the IRS needs to process your return. You will need to provide such items before a refund freeze is lifted. As a reminder, for those who received an interest payment from the IRS for a late refund, expect to receive a 1099 INT form like seen here from the IRS in January, as the interest you received was in fact taxable and needs to be entered as income on your tax year 2022 tax returns. Meanwhile, the IRS has released the latest draft of the 2022 tax form, and there are 2 updates that have been seen, starting off with addressing the receiving of cryptocurrency on page 1. The IRS clarified that receiving cryptocurrency includes digital assets earned through rewards or compensation, and the IRS wants to know if taxpayers sent or received crypto assets as gifts. On page 2, line 30, which was the location of the recovery rebate credit on those 2021 1040 forms, it has been removed and replaced with reserved for future use. So do note, for those of you who have not received the latest stimulus payment, you will not be able to claim the RRC when you file taxes next year. Let us know in the comments section below what problem you're currently experiencing. In the meantime, we will keep monitoring the situation for further developments, so make sure to click on the thumbs up and subscribe button below for future updates on this channel, and thanks for watching.